It's a big setback for Arvind Kejriwal. Well, a court has directed an FIR to be lodged against him. The charge of misuse of public funds has been levelled against Arvind Kejriwal, and court now has accepted a plea seeking FIR against Arvind Kejriwal. All right, we'll try and get more details about this. My colleague Ishika will also be joining us in just a bit. We are learning now this comes as another big setback for Arvind Kejriwal after the Aam Aadmi Party's rout in Delhi Assembly elections. Well, Arvind Kejriwal also had lost his seat, and after which this comes as another setback for Arvind Kejriwal. Nupur, my colleague, is also now joining us on the broadcast here. Nupur, what more details do we have about this case?
Well, this case actually dates back to 2019, and in fact, earlier a lower court has in fact refused to allow this petition seeking FIRs against Arvind Kejriwal and two other AAP leaders, Nitika Sharma and Gulab Singh, for posting big hoardings by using public money in the national capital for his promotions, and it was alleged that he has used public money. The AAP leaders have used public money to, in fact, post these huge hoardings, and they were accused of allegedly defacing public property. Now, the Delhi's session court today has, in fact, accepted this petition that has sought FIRs against these AAP leaders, and the court has also directed the Delhi police to file a compliance report by March 19th, and which means that the police has to register an FIR. Now, there is a deadline for the police to register an FIR in this particular case. So this is indeed a big setback for Arvind Kejriwal.
Absolutely. Ishika also is joining us on the broadcast here. Ishika, any reaction that has come in from the Aam Aadmi Party so far, or the leader himself?
Well, not so far. In fact, we have just heard that, it is a big setback rather, over the charge of misuse of public funds against Arvind Kejriwal and some other AAP leaders for putting up hoardings, especially, during the election season. We have seen this thing, and but certainly one thing is clear, that as we wait for the Aam Aadmi Party's reaction over this, the opposition, that is in fact not the opposition, rather the BJP, in fact continues to mount this attack, because even when they were in opposition, they in fact used to put this allegation that it is the then Aam Aadmi Party government which continuously misuses the public funds even for his own advertisement, is what was the big allegation that was there from the BJP side from the very start. So after this court order that has come, and my colleague Nupur was telling you all about, now the BJP is only going to mount its attack. So certainly the trouble continues to mount, and we are still awaiting his response and also the AAP leaders' response, and we are expecting that we will shortly be getting a statement from the Aam Aadmi Party.
Where is Arvind Kejriwal though, Ishika, if you could tell us? He's not been seen in the public domain since the Aam Aadmi Party lost the election in Delhi. There have been murmurs that he could actually take the Rajya Sabha route and become the Member of Parliament from Punjab, but no update on that as well. Where is he?
Well, Kitty, that is a very interesting question rather, and currently if we talk about, he is in fact what he says in Vipassana in Punjab, and certainly as you mentioned as to what will be the next step for Arvind Kejriwal in his political journey, because he has already lost his seat. Now there certainly a lot of meetings are being held, especially with the Punjab unit of the Aam Aadmi Party, because be it so, he still is the national supremo of the Aam Aadmi Party. So the party is also in fact looking for a respectable option for him. So that is something that the meetings are continuously going on. No decision has been taken as of yet. So certainly we'll have to wait for a month, and in fact the picture will be clear by then whether or not he is going to Rajya Sabha from Punjab. Over to you.
Okay, thank you so much, Ishika, for getting us those details there. Big setback coming in for Arvind Kejriwal, the former Delhi Chief Minister. We understand now an FIR will be registered against him. There was a plea that was filed in the court seeking the registration of an FIR and the plea now has been accepted. The compliance report is to be filed by March 18. Let me go back to my colleague Nupur also here. Nupur has been getting us more details from the court. We understand the court has directed FIR to be registered now against Arvind Kejriwal. This of course adds up to the troubles that he's already been facing. The Aam Aadmi Party leader has already been facing, Nupur.
Yes, of course, this is one more added trouble to already several cases that are pending against him, including the cases of alleged corruption and money laundering in the Delhi liquor policy case. They are still, trial in those cases are still pending against the AAP leader. And in fact, several other big AAP leaders are in fact named in those cases. However, what is in this case now, the other leaders who were not previously named, like local leaders who have been for example, this AAP councillor from Dwarka, she is also named. So a big setback for AAP party, as several leaders are now finding themselves embroiled in court cases when they are as they are out of power in Delhi after so many years, and they have to face these huge setback because of these several cases that are coming up over alleged corruption or misappropriation of public funds. So you can say this is one can say this is just the start of some troubles, or it will be crucial to see how the AAP party responds, because they always have the option of challenging this particular court order in the higher court.